Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today I'm on our new coin called Keeper, right? And it's a new project of Andre Coronia, and I've checked that guy out. I mean, I knew the guy from before, but I've checked some of his past work out because I didn't really pay that much attention to him. And yeah, some of his works are really quite extraordinary. I know he had a bit of a unluck with one project. I think it was the owners of that project exit scammed, or what it was, something. I'm not gonna go into it, right? I don't know what exactly happened there, but apparently he wasn't on the whole thing, so he's pretty clean. But this keeper, I mean, what has happened to this coin is absolutely extraordinary. So if I get this correctly, this coin went like 300 and something X in about a day. And I've heard so much about it. I mean, pretty much every guy asked me about it, what I think about it, what this coin is, if I heard it before. And no, I haven't really followed this project. But you know, seeing a chart like this, I guess I do. I am willing to say a couple of words about it, because I do think that some people are gonna get trapped into this. And right now where we're standing, it could be a trap. So let's talk about this today, right? And before we go on, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, you know, punch that notification button. And yes, we do make these videos every day except on Sunday. And, you know, we do them to, you know, kind of see what opportunities are to kind of protect you guys from coins like this. And don't get me wrong, this coin there's nothing wrong with this coin, right? This coin is perfectly fine, and it probably has a lot of its uses, right? So right now I kind of checked the market cap, so I'm not really sure how the unlock times are gonna work on this coin, right? I haven't went that far, but I do think when it comes to unlock times, I do think that he already unlocked everything fully at the first day, right? So I don't think we should be worried here for anything, and I'm not 100% on that information. But if I am 100% on that information, then this should be pretty clear, right? So the first thing, as you now might see, the market cap should be on like 65 millions or something like that, right? So it's not the smallest market cap, especially for the coin that's only been listed on SEX, right? So on, you know, on DEXs, that's centralized, you know, like Uniswap or anything, and hasn't had a real exchange just yet. So if that changes, then 60 million market cap is not that huge after all, right? But without that, you know, we could be seeing some pullbacks here. And yes, when you're seeing a structure like this, it's definitely a little bit uneasy for me, because, you know, when I have a pump, a sideways and a pump on a new coin, which is like 2 days old now, I am a little bit afraid when looking at a structure like this, especially because it's been a lot overextended. And I know there's gonna be, you know, a bunch of people defending this coin, saying, "Oh, but this is only the beginning. This is only that. You know, this is still gonna go waste." And yes, they might be right. Of course, they obviously might be right. But the thing is, you know, guys, in this market, usually nothing rises too fast, right? It's usually everything that rises also comes back down, and we've seen that a million times. And especially even if it's Andres' project and he's such a genius, right? I do think it's gonna have a pullback eventually, right? So right now I would be definitely scared, because 300x in a day, it's probably gonna put a stop break into many people buying this, and I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to keep this hype up. And especially now seeing, you know, the volume is slowly going down as well. Obviously this volume doesn't mean much because it's only 2 days old coin, but you can see that hype is slowly turning down just a little bit as well, right? So right now what I would do, I would probably not look for any more longs into this position. Even though if it does anything bullish, I would probably just leave it, because it's overextended. I would probably stay away from it for now, and I would really just wait for a pullback, and a bit of a greater pullback to kind of get in. And I do think this is going to be a greater pullback. It's going to be met right here, and this is going to be a position where you can safely jump into the coin and hopefully hope for any kind of sort of reaction, right? So if there's no unlock times, because again I do think it's been fully unlocked already on the first day, then you shouldn't be scared to do anything like that, right? The stop loss is then going to be put right under it, and the stop loss, as you can see, cannot be made smaller. In this case, it's 1 day old coin. It's a small coin, right? I mean, it cannot be made smaller than 33%, right? 34%. So sadly, when it comes to stop losses, it's gonna be a wide one, right? And then the only thing you can possibly make is you can just widen the area a little bit and split your buys. So then if you moved your entries down here, you can get a little bit better entry, but that's about it, right? The stop loss is gonna have to be sadly located somewhere sadly located somewhere around down here. I wouldn't go for any smaller stop loss, especially not on a newly listed coins. The profit target, then you already know, we're gonna be looking at this, and it's actually an area up here. I wouldn't be, you know, using just a line, so it is an area up here. And as you can see, this coin, you know, it can make you another 50% at this price. I do think it's gonna be bouncing about, you know, around this area. It's gonna bounce to around this area and then probably gonna crash even lower, because you know, these coins rarely leave this whole areas under here untested, right? So these areas feel untested. Probably not gonna happen, right? It will probably go eventually test them in the future and then see something else. If they're gonna drop some more exchanges, like proper exchanges, like, you know, the big time exchanges as we speak, then most likely that test area won't happen for a very long time. But if not, it could happen much sooner than we can expect, right? And yes, guys, that would be pretty much it for today. You know, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and also join us at 4C Telegram community, where we discuss the daily what's going on Bitcoin, what's going on Ethereum, right? And also stop losses and profit takes and opportunities like this. So you're welcome to join us there as well. If nothing else, we will be seeing each other in the next time.